Alright, today we're going to be looking at Purple Label by Ralph Lauren. If you're thinking of buying this fragrance or any others over at fragrance.com, use the discount code linked in the description below to get 30% off your entire purchase. There are days when I just want to throw on a pair of jeans, a t-shirt, and a fresh, spicy fragrance that smells like the open road, freedom, and the glee I get from not giving a shit what the day has in store for me. And then there are those days when I need to put on a suit and tie, give orders, and inspire those around me to do better and work harder. Purple Label is the fragrance for that kind of day, when you need to underscore the idea that you're in charge, years of experience and knowledge backing up every decision you make, and a set of balls on you that can be seen from orbit. This one came out in 2003, and if you've never smelled it, congratulations, you've deprived yourself of one of the smoothest, most elegant fragrances ever bottled. This isn't for gym bros marinating in Sauvage, or the kids dousing themselves in Invictus to impress the drive-thru girl at Taco Bell. No, this is for a man who owns tailored suits, drinks his Scotch neat, and has the type of firm handshake that makes lesser men question their life choices. The open is a thing of beauty, blackberry, coriander, and mandarin orange setting the tone with refined sweetness that feels like stepping into a high-end bespoke tailor where the staff already knows your name, your measurements, and whether you dress to the right or the left. It's crisp, rich, and immediately tells your brain, hey, we're doing classy shit today. Then, like a well-aged Bordeaux hitting the decanter, the middle rolls in, tobacco leaf, sage, and thyme. It's earthy, slightly herbal, and full of the kind of depth you don't find in mass-market nonsense. This isn't loud or brash, it's confidence in liquid form, a quiet, knowing smile rather than a drunken, loutish grin. And finally the base, musk, mahogany, and oakmoss wrap everything up in the kind of smooth, effortless charm that money can't buy, but this bottle sure as hell can. It's rich, it's warm, and it sticks close, making it the perfect fragrance for a dinner date where you're closing a deal, whether it's business or something more personal in nature. Performance? Solid. You're looking at a respectable 7 to 8 hours with moderate projection, which is perfect. This isn't meant to announce your presence from across the room. It's meant to draw people in, make them lean a little closer, wondering what kind of secrets you've got up your sleeve or in your expertly tailored pants. Presentation? Clean, refined, purple, because of course it is. Ralph knew what he was doing here. The glass is draped like a fine suit, and the atomizer offers up a masculine, honest spray that never lets you down. Is this gonna get you compliments? If you're wearing this one, then you shouldn't be caring about other people's opinions. Man up! Start believing in yourself and walk confidently through life with your head held high. That kind of man doesn't care about compliments. Final thoughts? If you appreciate luxury done right, you owe it to yourself to track this one down. Get a whiff, let it sink in, and enjoy the fact that you're wearing one of the best damn things Ralph Lauren ever put out.